Good morning, Newton About Adventures. So today we are at Fog Dam, south of Darwin, near Humpty Doo. Humpty Doo, what a name, brilliant. Temperature's about 31 degrees and we are at, what time is it? 5 to 9 in the morning. So this is a wetlands conservation area apparently, and like, I mean, you can hear the birds and the crickets and brilliant, absolutely brilliant. But apparently it has the largest population of snakes in all of Australia. No snakes for me. But we're going to do a few walks, we're going to check it out. I've even came armed with my bad boy today to see if we can get some pictures. But welcome back, we'll take you along on this adventure today. Out in the Northern Territory, in Australia, what a spot. So come along for the ride. Guys, we're walking through the Monsoon forest a minute. And you can hear the mozzies like zip up in your ears. The humidity's ramped up. Somewhere like 80 odd, 90% humidity. But to be fair, it doesn't feel as warm in here. But this place is amazing. Like the birds that you can hear, the insect. There's insects that flew across me. They're like a big thing. I don't even know what it was. It's like a B-52 bomber. So somebody's gonna have to guide it in, the size of it. Anywho, brilliant monsoon walk. We'll follow all the way around. I'll show you some of the spots. But look at it. Look, it's just it's unbelievable. Northern Territory, everybody. What a place! What a place! Unbelievable. Right, let's keep walking on and see what else this beautiful place has to offer up. So this is the darkest and wettest part of the forest. You can see the floodlight of the sun just coming through. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Stunning. So guys, where we are at the minute is we're on like a lookout tower platform. So over to this direction we have the Adelaide, I believe it's the Adelaide floodplains it's called, and then over to this direction we then have the fog dam itself with the fog dam wall in there. So the idea is to make our way back to the Monsoon walk, hoping not to see that huntsman spider again. And then make my way up to the fog dam wall, and then just get onto the dam wall and have a look and see what it's like up there. But the heat is getting up. We are at 34 degrees. Doesn't feel humid stood here, but inside obviously inside the forest it's really humid. Don't know if you can notice some dripping my sweat here, but yeah, I'll keep you posted and let you see where we get to next. Don't know if you can hear this. Listen to the can you hear like crickets and whatever other mad animals are here? Hear them? Mental. Look at this, look at the colour of the lilies, leaves, flowers, big pink flowers. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? That's like swampland with just lilies. As far as I can see as well, all the way out there, look. An absolutely unique place, there's no doubt about it. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. Okay then, eating about adventures. What a time this has been up here at Fog Dam. That walk was fantastic, and seeing that crazy spider as well. But then up at the lookouts here on the actual dam wall, and looking behind me, you can see it's absolutely stunning. So we'll leave it here. That's another eating about done. Please like, share, subscribe if you can. Leave some comments somewhere you'd like to see in the Northern Territory. Anything else you'd like me to go and have a look at, and I can do that. But if you watched this far, thank you very much, really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.